Okay, so I'm on my way to my company where I can load my truck, and it's just a long way from here, and I just can use this streets right here because there is a bridge who is closed on the highway, and these streets are the reason why I'm really into truck driving. It's just insane. You can just drive around and you always see beautiful sceneries, and hopefully there is no truck coming. But we are lucky. Nice. And we had a little bit of snow in the last, well, I mean, a little bit is fine. The most is gone now, but it was so insane heavy that we can't drive for a few days, and we don't have a lot of work to do, but there are some customers who still need some stones. And this is like, we have a small village, then just a few companies like metal factories and stuff like that, and then again small villages. And I really love this area because you have such an amazing view. I really have to take care. I always get lasered at this stupid laser point or GPS signal point. I don't know what it's called in English, but I got a few tickets for speeding right there, and it's always like I'm allowed to drive 50, and then my like cruise control, I'm not sure what it's called in, or at Mercedes, in my Dodge it's called cruise control, is at 55, and then I always have to pay like 30 euros for it. So yep, you get what you deserve, I guess. Or maybe 10 minutes at this traffic light because there was a trail coming, and then you always have to wait for hours. As you can see, there is a lot of traffic on the other side right now. Mostly trucks because the highway is closed. But there's a lot of trucks, holy shit. So that will not end. Again, the street closed. Never mind. It's okay, I guess. Like a laser. I'm not sure, but it's always like these silver vans from Volkswagen. Dude, that's such a nice view. Okay, so I guess that's it for this video. I will upload the rest of the way in like a series. Check out the other videos if you enjoyed it. Help me out, support the channel, and see ya next time.